call me up, I'm your girl. Toughest chick in the alien world. Ain't got time for pink and lace. This girl's built for outer space. Atomic Betty, I'm a fighting girl. Atomic Betty, gotta rock your world. Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty, your galactic girl. Atomic Betty, gonna save the world. Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty, Atomic Betty, reporting for duty.
Security check complete. Welcome to 40 is Noxious, the galaxy's most secure gold depositor.
Now this is a bank!
There's never been a break-in at 40 is Noxious. It's impossible.
Oh boy!
Excuse me, but there's been a break-in. Why are you just standing here? We better call Betty.
I don't believe it. I didn't even get one lousy Valentine.
Betty? I know someone who's got one for you.
Really? Who? Is it Dylan?
Yoo-hoo! I've got 2 huge bags of Valentines, and you've got none. Aww.
I don't believe in Valentine's Day.
That's because you don't have any.
Excuse me, I have to go ignore you somewhere else.
She's probably gone to find someone to send her a card.
Atomic Betty, I need you to meet me at 40th Noxious right away. We've got a situation on our hands.
What kind of situation?
It's hard to explain. You'd better come see for yourself.
Wow, I've got a secret admirer.
A criminal secret admirer. Let's not forget that whoever it is stole 15 megatons of gold.
Yeah, the gods are blaming you!
Me? Are you sure about that?
Pretty sure.
Don't worry, Atomic Betty. Find this miscreant and recover the gold. I'm sure everything will be forgiven.
I wanted a Valentine, but not like this.
What's a Valentine?
Valentine's Day is an obscure Earth holiday where you give people a heart as a token of your affection.
Here you go, Chief. I like you.
Not a real heart, a representative heart. It's about Cupid's sweet arrow.
Atomic Betty, go to the Halorian Nebula. Your Valentine has just attacked a cargo ship carrying Grenishkian diamonds.
He's not my Valentine! Oh, sorry, sir.
Carry on.
Are you sure it's the same guy?
Looks like the same guy to me.
I don't think they're that angry. The gods hate you more.
That makes me feel a lot better. Let's check out the damage.
Aye, aye, Chief!
Do you really think they're that angry? Let's get out of here!
Look, there goes our evil criminal.
I'm activating the claw. I've got a few questions for my Valentine.
Aha! You said he wasn't your Valentine! Now you like him, don't you? You're gonna lose him, Chief!
Oh, yeah? Got him! Oh, no!
Atomic Roger?
Betty and Roger sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G!
Dylan! You know it's Valentine's Day. I was just wondering if you have anything for me?
Valentine's Day? Well, I forgot. I'll be right back.
I expect he wants to get me something special, something deserving of moi.
Like what? A snake?
Dodger, we need to talk. What? You never seen twins before? I'm really mad at you, Dodger. I've been watching the news. You're getting me in trouble. Ugh. I'm not getting you in trouble. I'm avenging the family pride. The Galactic Guardians rejected you. They have to pay. Reject one twin, reject us both. Why involve Atomic Betty? Because you like her? I do not. You're such a liar. I'm a criminal. Of course I'm a liar. You're just doing this because you have real hair. Whatever. I don't have time to argue with you, Roger. I'm here to purchase the most dangerous beast in all the galaxies. A Susatsian Kukala beast. And for 15 megatons of gold and a load of Grenishkian diamonds, it had better be the most dangerous. I don't trust you. You're evil. I'm a criminal. I'm supposed to be evil. I plan to release the beast at Galactic headquarters. That'll teach him for rejecting us. I mean you.
How does it feel to be the most disliked person in the universe?
Excuse me, if I may. That's not true, Chuck. People like the chief. Am I right?
Well, that's what you get for dating a criminal.
I am not dating a criminal. He likes me, that's all. It's not my fault.
Atomic Betty, hurry! A Susastian Kukala beast is trashing Galactic headquarters.
Wait, you can't leave me with this crowd. I'm a celebrity. I need protection.
This time you've gone too far, Roger.
Atomic Betty! Finally! I was beginning to think you wouldn't show. Don't worry, Atomic Betty. It's me, Atomic Roger, here to save you.
But if you're Roger, who's that?
That's Dodger, my twin brother.
Twin?
Twins? What? Has no one in this galaxy seen twins before? I won't let you do this, Dodger. You're mean. And not just because you're a criminal. You've always been mean. I'm going to tell Mom on you. You're such a tattletale. Ah, my hair! Give it back! Make me! I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of anything!
Not even a Zeuastian Kukala beast can break Didactian metal strands.
Excellent work, Atomic Betty. You saved the day.
I couldn't have done it without Roger.
Quite right. From this moment on, Atomic Roger, you are reappointed as a first-class Galactic Guardian. And as for you, Dodger...
I'll get even with you Galactic Guardians! And as for you, Roger, tell Ma I'll be late for dinner.
Thanks for helping me.
No problem. You should know it wasn't me who sent those Valentines. It was Dodger.
Oh, so you don't like me?
Well, yes, but there'll always be something that's more important in my life. My fantastic hair.
Okay, so much for secret admirers. Where did all these cards come from?
That's what I want to know. Ethan, Frederick, I don't recognize these names. Ha! They're fakes. You sent them to yourself, loser.
Thanks. That was real cool of you. You want a soda after school? My treat.
Oh, Dylan, you shouldn't have.
I didn't. It's for Betty. Sorry for being late, but I wanted to get something special. So, do you want to go out for a pizza after school?
I can't believe you said no to Dylan.
I had to. I already made plans with my best friend.
I almost forgot. Happy Valentine's Day, Betty.
Thanks, Noah.
You're gonna love this! Nobody nukes a homemade Tirana worm stew like my mamula! Ma, I'm home! Huh? Mom? Something's wrong. I'm going in reconnaissance.
Don't you think you're overreacting? A little?
Expensive bad guy cologne. I know that stench anywhere. Mamula!
It's a little soggy. As usual.
I'm late. I know. I can explain.
No, let me guess. You forgot your homework. Had to return a book to the library. No, wait. I got it. You were abducted by aliens, right?
Right. Aliens. Come on, Noah. Let me make it up to you. Alien Leeches 4 is playing at the theater. It'll be my treat.
I heard that movie's wicked. Deal.
I've just got to run home and get my allowance. I'll meet you in front of the marquee at 4, okay?
Right. Don't be late.
Atomic Betty, I need your help. Sparky is hysterical.
What's wrong?
Maximus has kidnapped my mamula!
X5, is this true?
Well, I didn't see anything.
He did! He did!
I'm on my way. Is he sure it was Maximus?
It was him! I saw it!
Atomic Betty, we need you. Maximus IQ is irradiating the multicolored moons of Rashomon 7, causing them to explode.
He kidnapped my mamula, too!
Really?
That has not been confirmed yet, sir.
Stop that fiendish feline before he destroys another major galactic tourist attraction.
We're on our way. Noah's gonna kill me.
This is amazing, Maxie! What a view! However did you find such a place?
I am well traveled.
Oh, look! Another one! To be honest, I had my doubts when I joined that intergalactic dating service, but you have been absolutely wonderful.
I, too, was hesitant, but when my worthless assistant found your radiant beauty amidst the common fodder, I couldn't help myself. I was smitten.
Oh, stop it.
Boss? Betty at 12 o'clock.
Betty?
Yes, Iron Storm, Betty. Isn't it cute how they give these galactic storms girlish names?
That's it! That's the ship my mamula was kidnapped in!
It doesn't make sense. What would Maximus want with your mother?
After him!
I must apologize for this weather. We could be in for a bumpy ride.
You should talk to your driver. I think he's going a bit too.
Hang on.
End of the road, Maximus. Sparky, hit them with a stasis ray. Sparky?
I can't do it!
What's wrong?
My mamula's in there!
They're getting away!
Oh, looks like we made it.
Wow! That was exciting. Where to next?
What would you like to do, my little doomsday button?
Well, I am kind of hungry.
I know the perfect place to have a picnic. You're going to love it.
I've been waiting for this to come out since Alien Leeches 3, The Draining. Hey, Noah. Always go to the movies by yourself?
I'm waiting for Betty. She should be here any second now.
You mean no show, Betty? Yeah, we'll catch you later. After it's over.
I disobeyed a direct order, and now I failed my mamula!
I don't know what to say, Sparky. I mean, what are the odds of your mom being kidnapped by Maximus?
Atomic Betty, you're not going to believe this.
You have quite the appetite. Look.
Oh, Maxie, that's so sweet.
Think nothing of it, my little death ray. 'Tis a small, insignificant gesture.
Do you hear something?
Ah, yes. Perhaps it is our song.
Oh, Maxie.
Eat laser bolts, heroes.
Ah, you got nothing! Zap, zap.
To your ravishing beauty.
To your exquisite charm.
You idiot!
Mamula!
You fools! Look what you've done! This is a rental! Come, my darling, away from these pestering gnats. Let's find someplace private to conclude our rudely interrupted amour.
Sparky, what a surprise! Oh, you must meet my date, Maxie. You're gonna love him!
Your date?
What are the odds?
1,2,2,043 to 1. It's a long shot.
You know him.
Oh, of course I do. He's my son. Isn't he the cutest? Mwah!
Yes, how could I not spot the resemblance, especially while you were feeding? Change of plans, Minimus. I don't think our love was meant to happen, darling. But then again, there's more fish in the galaxy. Say goodbye to your dear, sweet mamula, Sparky.
No!
What the?
You beast! You bad! You slime!
Do something, you fool!
We have to help her.
Not so fast! Ma kind of likes to do things herself.
Bring it on! anything for my little Sparkster.
No more dates, okay, Ma?
Okay, hon. Not for a while.
Date? Oh my gosh! I was supposed to meet Noah at the movies, and now I'm totally late. He'll never speak to me again.
It's going to take some time to make these repairs.
No time for that. For the road.
Ooh, it would be a shame to let all of this food go to waste.
Must run in the family.
I know. I'm sorry I'm late. I had a good reason, though.
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear another one of your stupid stories.
It's just that, I wanted to get you something special for the movie.
Wow. Is that a new candy bar?
There's another showing in half an hour. We can still go. I'm buying.
So, what's it going to be, Minimus? Bachelorette 1, 2, or 3?
Oh, please, Butch. I'll find you a better date. Oh, I promise. I promise.
What's that? Number 3, you say?
Reporting for duty. Yeah!